Well, Johnny, you've had a big bus ride all the way from Calgary, and you're on your way now in your new car.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Feels liberating.
Liberating.
Or something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There it is now. Back up and get pictures.
Bye, guys.
What are you going to call it?
Looks like there's some sunglasses here for Kelly.
Sorry it was so short and sweet.
Bye.
You know the name of this car has an H. It must be Harry.
Yeah, it's a Harry Civic.
Bye, sweetie.
Great. Well, you have a
Gracie and
great
Charlie
drive.
Hugs for us.
We'll send this to Gracie so she can see you in your new car on your way to home to see her.
Okay.
All right.
Love you.
Darling.
Love you.
Too. Have a good day.
Start it up. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Yeah,
It's kind of loud.
It's kind of loud. Oh.
oh, there we go.
Oh, that's nice.
Initial start. Oh, those are your buses. Bye. Careful now. Watch it. Uh-oh, you don't want to do that too much.
Giving those last minute instructions from Mother. Bye. Have a great drive.
Yeah,
You betcha.
End of June. 2 months. Bye.
There he goes.
No.